Now I'm just going to show you around our 2017 Transporter short wheelbase 150 brake horsepower Highline factory Kombi DSG gearbox in Mojave Beige. This one's only done 3,000 miles, really nice specification. So we'll start here at the front. It's 35mm lowered springs. We've got the satin black side tubes. We've got the Sportline bumper. You see the front fog lights behind there. All the grills are gloss black. Super condition. Bit of factory Kombi. It's got the sliding rear windows. I'll show you in the back here for a start and show the leather seating. So white stitching, embroidered R's, headlining all done in Alcantara with LED spotlights which are operated here on the side. Also twin USB ports in the rear, either side for the rear passengers. Also this one's got ambient lighting in the footwells. There's a little remote control here, you can change all the colours and brightness, really sets it off inside there. Climate control, Bluetooth phone, DSG gearbox, bit of Highline. It's got the leather steering wheel with cruise control, gloss black centre, twin captain seats at the front with adjustable armrests. Right, moving to the back. Show you it's got the roof spoiler there, carbon effect bumper plinth, factory rear park sensors, and we'll open the tailgate and show you underneath. Soft flooring, Alcantara side panels, even the tailgate. This has got a separate switch on with downlighters. .20-inch gloss black wheels, stunning colour. So remainder of its 3-year warranty, so just about 3,000 miles this one. Looks spot on. Full description on our website, justnicevans.co.uk. Any questions you have, if you'd like to give us a call on the number on the website, we'll answer any questions for you. Just come in this one and really does look good. Thanks for watching.